Okay, so this is going to be page 308 and 309 in your iReady instruction book. So we're still working on area, but we're kind of going back and doing a little bit of a review with some perimeter. So we're putting area and perimeter together. So let's look at these bullets that they've got here for us. Willis made an L-shaped pen for his pet rabbit. 1, the pen has to have 6 sides. 2, the perimeter has to be 10 meters. And the third bullet said the lengths of 5 of the sides are 1 meter, 3 meters, 2 meters, 1 meter, and 1 meter. What is the length of the 6th side? So we're going to try to use these clues and figure out what this missing side has got to be. Now remember, the perimeter was 10. So we've got to remind ourselves on how we find perimeter. Perimeter is the fence that goes all around. To get the perimeter, you add all the sides. So let's add the sides that are here. We have 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, question mark, that have to equal 10. So 1 and 3 is 4. 2 and 1 is 3. 1 more. 4 and 3 is 7. And 7 and 1 is 8. And so our question mark, we've got to get to 10. So what do we need to add to 8 to get to our 10? 8 plus 2 would be 10. All right, let's go on to page 309. Explain how you would find the perimeter of the shape if you knew all the side lengths. So to get the perimeter, we have to add all the sides. I would add all the sides. That's how we find perimeter. Perimeter, you add all your sides. Number 3, you know the perimeter is 10. Explain how you can figure out the unknown side length. All right, what did we do? I would add, and I don't have a book, so hang on, let me look back at our numbers. Grab my book. I would add 1, because these are the sides they gave us. These are all those numbers in blue. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. And remember, that gave us 8, which equals 8. Then, if the total is 10, we can subtract 10, take away 8, and the difference of 2 would be our missing side. Write an equation to find the missing side length. Use a question mark for the number you do not know. So we're going to put these numbers back in just like we did on the other side. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the question mark. Remember, have to equal a perimeter of 10. So adding all the sides together, including the question mark, has to equal 10. And what's the length of that missing side? We just found out it is 2. If we put a 2 where the question mark is, we could add those numbers up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That 2 would give us our 10. Explain how an addition equation can help you find the perimeter of a shape. Okay, well, to get the perimeter, you have to add all your sides. Perimeter means the distance around a shape. So adding puts all the sides perimeter means the distance around a shape. So adding puts all the sides together. When you are walking around the shape, you are increasing your length of that shape's outside perimeter, the area outside. So adding also increases those sides as well because we're putting them together. Perimeter means the distance around a shape, so adding puts all the sides together. Okay, number 7 and 8, they're going to ask us to find perimeter of this missing side. So Jordan has a kite with 4 sides. 2 of the sides are 8 and 2 of the sides are 12 inches. What's the perimeter? So 2 8s and 2 12s. So we need to put all of those 4 sides together. 4 sides, I have 4 numbers. 8 plus 8 would be 16. 12 plus 12 would be 24. And if we add 16 with 24, 6 and 4 is 10. And then 2, 1 and 1 would be 40. That should give us 40 if we add all of those sides together. And it is inches. Now, are we going to square perimeter? No, we're not counting squares. We're adding around the outside. It's inches because my label here behind the 8 and the 12 says inches. Number 8. The perimeter of the shape at the right is 18. What is the unknown side length? So all 4 of these numbers, including that question mark, have to equal 18. So my number sense would look like this. 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus question mark have to equal 18. So now we need to put the numbers that we have together to figure out what's missing. 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 4 plus question mark equals 18. Now let's put the 9 and 4 together. 9 plus 4 is 13. Plus question mark equals 18. What could I add to 13 that would turn the 13 into 18? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We could add 5 to 13 to turn it into 18. So my question mark is going to be 5. So my missing number is 5 feet. We don't need to square it because we are not counting squares, we are doing perimeter.